What's up, guys? This is Erick Su from ESR&D. Today, I'm going to talk about how to check your contrast for your design to make sure the accessibility is good. But before I get to that, let's talk about something really exciting that Adobe is doing. I just got contacted by a friend at Adobe. She told me about they're doing this CoCreate thing. They're connecting small businesses and the creators, meaning getting a paid job. Adobe is sponsoring it. They'll be funding this project, and then you guys can do real world client projects. And today is the open application for the creators, so you guys better get to it. Anyways, let's get back to our video. This is my recreation of this very popular dribble shot. It's not mine. Man, I feel so bad. I don't remember who created the original work, but it's not mine, and then it's on Dribble. If you guys know who created this, comment below, let me know. But I'm just going to show you guys how to check the contrast. In XD, this is actually really easy. Select the object that you want to check the contrast. Click on the plugin. When checking your phone, Stark, and it will have all these different things. And then for checking contrast, just click on change contrast. And as you can see, it show up and it's all passing. The AAA means longer paragraphs, and the AA means shorter paragraph. And normal text means the text that's 16 and larger. And for the large text is for the, as it says, it's for 18.66 and larger. Or bold weight at 24. And then this, so large text, small text, and the paragraph. We can try another one and just select the text, the background, and you just go to the check contrast again. And then you can go, there's a faster way to check through your entire project, is to go the called rapid contrast checker, and then you can actually just go like this. Select a two object and tell you, oh, it passed the normal, it passed the large text, and it didn't pass the paragraph. But this is obviously not a paragraph. This is just one button, one copy. So yeah, that's fine. You just select whatever two, and it'll quickly check for the contrast. But that's it for XD. And then for Figma, and then in the new project, I'm just gonna draw two rectangles. You actually don't have to have any text at all to test whether or not it works. You just need to have like a color of something like this, and then you just go, and then you can go to the plugins and then Stark, and then check contrast, and then show up saying, oh, that color doesn't work. So yeah, it's probably because it's need to be darker. And then you can select again, and it looks like it's passed. So yeah, very nice. So that's how you check contrast for both of the apps and accessibility. To download plugins on XD, you just pass on this pass send, and you can discover other plugin. Anyways, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and then watch my other videos. Thank you.